Welcome to the demo of the 25C feature, issue and complete the same item in a process manufacturing work order. In some process industries, manufacturers produce a product or byproduct from the production process and as required, rework it into another batch with further processing. Some other process manufacturing process takes the product left over from one batch as the starting point for the next batch. In these cases, the same item can be used as an ingredient and a product of the batch, creating a circular reference between the batch input and batch output. With this feature, you can issue an ingredient and complete it as product in a process manufacturing work order. You can issue an item as input and complete the same item as output in a process manufacturing work order for an operation, or for multiple operations. This demo shows how issue and complete the same item in a process manufacturing work order enhances your business. We'll use a process manufacturing work order for item orange juice for this demo. We'll add product orange juice as input ingredient and release the work order. Finally, we'll issue the ingredients, including orange juice and complete products. We are in the work execution work area. Click on the new work order task to open the Redwood work orders page. Redwood work orders page. Let's create the process manufacturing work order. Click on Process Standard Work Order. Provide the required details here in the drawer to create the work order. Work order number RS10001. We can create a process manufacturing work order by providing process name or by providing primary output. Here, we have selected the process name. Other details have defaulted. Click on Create and Open button. The work order has been created. You can review the details of the work order. The work order has one operation. You can see the three ingredients: oranges, sugar, water. Click on the plus icon to add another input item. We'll now add output orange juice as an input item. We have added orange juice. Include in planning checkbox must be unchecked. We have unchecked Include in Planning checkbox. Click on Create to add the item. The orange juice has been added as input. Output details: the three outputs are orange pulp, orange peel, and orange juice. Next, release the work order. Click on the Execute Production at Workstation task to report completion. Select the workstation. Next, select the work order RS10001. You can see the details of the work order operation. We'll report operation completion now. Let us report the operation completion for full operation quantity. The ingredients being issued as part of back flushing, which includes orange juice. The products being completed, which includes orange juice also. The transaction is successfully done. You can see that, along with other ingredients, orange juice also has been issued. And along with two other byproducts, orange juice also has been produced. So, You can issue an item as ingredient and complete the same item as product in a process manufacturing work order. This concludes the feature demo. Thank you for watching.